Good day to you guys. I am out here about to put on the Roofnest Condor XL rooftop tent here on the truck. So this rooftop tent is going to be used for camping trips, us taking long trips, going to national parks, and just camping on the road. So this tent is going to go on top of this bed rack right here, and you can pull it out and you'll be able to camp in that tent. You'll be able to go to national parks and RV sites and all that kind of stuff and camp out. So I'm excited about that. So let's get it popping. Here we go. Took a little while to get this thing off, but it's heavy. We'll tell you that. It's definitely heavy. Alright, man, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a knife and I'm gonna cut this open. Alright, man, I need a break. That joint wearing me out. I'm gonna chill out for a second. Some tools. Alright. There. A whole bunch of tools. Instructions. Screws. And a wrench. I gotta say, man, that piece is clean. Real clean. Very shiny. Love the coat that's on it. Flexible. Everything seems to be intact. Pretty much. There it is. It's definitely clean. Got the branding on the front or the back. I gotta figure out which one's the front, which one's the back. I want to say this is the one. There's more. This may be the front. That may be the back. That's why they give you instructions. So I'm gonna have to look at the instructions just to see. I wonder what that is. All right, so about to try to lift this up onto the truck. It is backwards. So this is the side that lifts up. man is all being about.
And that's what a wife is being about.
Look at that. See?
Break dance. How you break dance? How you twerking?
Look, came through a problem. But the thing about it is, my nickname, my street name is Solution.
But they call him Marcus.
Yeah, had nothing to say. I got the brackets here, and they're kind of lined up almost with this. And now this one doesn't interfere with the plates on the side, so we do have enough room to mount this on. But if I take it under, as you can see, it might be a little, it might be in the way there. So it looks like I may have to unscrew these just a little bit and maybe drag it over, so that way I can have a smooth transition to put those slide-in screws for the Roofnest tent. And so these are the screws here. And so pretty much this has to go under this like that. As you can see, it's going to be interfering with this. So I'm going to slide this probably down some, so that way I can get this mounted onto this rack here. These are the slide-in nuts. We're going to slide in. We got the screws here. I'm not too sure there are 4 of these, so they must be something that goes with this. And then got some cloth and some, I guess, some stuff here. All right, so it also came with this, which is really handy. Pretty cool that the tent came with this, so you don't have to pull out your own tools to put this on. So it's real big. I really thought it was going to come out over the truck, but it's going to be like right in flush with the. It's not even going to be coming past the bumper. But I didn't push it too close to the truck because this flap here is a flap. I wanted to make sure that I can unflap that instead of it being over here and it being too hard to get to. So I just wanted to make sure I clear that. And if it was on this side, this would have been too close to the truck. So I wanted to give it a little breathing room right there. All right, guys, so I got the rooftop tent on the truck, as you can see there, and now what I'm about to do is go for a test ride, just to make sure it's sturdy, make sure everything is good. As you can see, it's not moving or anything, and so I'm gonna take it on a test drive. I'm gonna head to just an empty location, and I'm gonna pull the tent out to see if I can get used to it or see how it works and go from there. So see you there in a bit. All right, guys, so we are out here in I don't know where.
In a park.
And I'm just really excited to get this rooftop tent opened up and kind of see what it's about. So we're gonna kind of open this up. We don't know how to open this up. I do have the instructions in my pocket or somewhere. I don't know where they are.
So it's gonna be a first for us and for you.
Yeah.
Seeing us open.
So let's get to it.
It's spacious in here.
Spacious.
I can see how we can sleep 4 people.
We got a skylight. And the reason why we got this skylight is because I'm a photographer. I can stand up in here and take some nice photography shots. And there's the rain cover on top.
Oh, isn't that neat? So it can be raining outside.
Yeah.
And you still can, you know, have it open.
And, you know, we can take that off if it's not raining, and we can actually, you know, stand up in it and look out. It feels very comfortable. And the reason why I got this one is because I wanted, it comes with a foam mattress in it already. So it really feels good. You can sleep on it just as is. So, what is this, like a tent or something?
That's what I was just asking you.
Some type of tent here.
Privacy tent, you think?
Probably. I mean, I already bought one, but this is even better. Privacy tent. Well, ain't that something? We got 2 of them, so we got a his and hers. Actually, one could be a shower, and one could be the privacy tent for the bathroom. And these are like pockets that you could kind of hang on outside of the tent. And I've seen people use these for storing their shoes, or, you know, so they don't get dirt into the tent or whatnot. So they'll put their shoes in this pouch here for your toiletries or whatever. So that's cool. And then inside the tent, it looks like you have these bars here, which are cool. You can hang stuff off these bars. It's got like little hooks on there if you want to hang like little lights hanging from this. This is, what is this? This is some type of cord. Oh, it's an LED light. It's an LED light. You can plug this in a battery and have a little light inside. And it's a pouch here. That's what's up, man. Roll another little pouch. Yeah. Guess you can put your power bank in there. I mean, this is pretty solid, man. Whew. This was a long day. Long day. Yeah, so that's pretty much the rooftop tent, guys. Coming out. So there you have it, man. That is pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed it, man. It's been a long journey putting this up.
Man.
Looking forward to taking this on the road, different national parks, and just putting this tent to use. So
on the road again.
Yeah, so we'll see you when we see you guys. Shout out to Roofnest, and Extrusion for the bed racks. Peace out.